Hope you fine. So today our topic is how to increase height in imvu. First of all, you need to log in your imvu account. After opening your imvu account in your client, then go to shop. After going into shop, you can search here scaler. After you need to search scalar in men's tab if you are men. If for women you can search in women tab. So search your scalar. As you can see here, different scalar for your avatar. You can also increase and decrease your height according to percentage of the scalar. As you can see, I am applying 140% scalar for avatar. Nothing is happened because I already using scalar. So I am so apply again. So as you can see, my scalar is applied. If you are using already scalar, this is not gonna work. You have to turn off your scalar, then apply it again. You want to change your scalar. So I hope you like this tutorial. So please like and subscribe.